When it comes to skincare, most people think stronger is better. Stronger retinol, stronger acids, faster results. But Korean skincare takes a completely different approach. Instead of attacking the skin, it focuses on hydration, balance, and long-term health. Before we begin, a quick note. The products featured in this video are selected based on recommendations from the New York Times Wirecutter, a trusted source known for its independent, hands-on product testing and expert reviews. And in K-beauty, this philosophy becomes most powerful in one step: treatment. This is where real transformation begins, not by stripping your skin, but by supporting it. Treatment products are designed to hydrate deeply, refine texture gently, and build that signature glow, known as glass skin. Today, we'll walk through 4 of the best Korean treat products, each one offering a different path to healthier, more radiant skin. Let's start with one of the most iconic products in K-beauty, a product that might surprise you at first: Snail Mucin. This essence contains 96% snail secretion filtrate, an ingredient known to deeply hydrate, improve elasticity, and smooth skin texture. Just 1 or 2 pumps, and your skin begins to feel softer, more supple, and visibly more radiant. The texture is thick, slightly stretchy, but once applied, it absorbs quickly, leaving behind a smooth, almost poreless finish. This is one of the secrets behind that glassy, luminous complexion. It may not appeal to everyone, especially those who prefer vegan skincare, but for hydration and skin repair, this remains a true K-beauty classic. Now, what if you want that same glow without Snail Mucin? This is where Peach and Lily comes in, a modern, vegan-friendly alternative designed to deliver the same glass skin effect. This serum is powered by niacinamide to improve tone and texture, hyaluronic acid for long-lasting hydration, and a sugar-derived humectant for that dewy finish. The result is skin that looks smooth, bright, and refined. It feels light, silky, and refreshing. And interestingly, some users say the hydration seems to reactivate even hours later. If you want glow without heaviness, this is one of the most elegant options available. Now let's move to a different kind of treatment, one designed for clarity and balance. This toner combines 3 types of exfoliation: AHA to smooth the surface, BHA to clean pores, and PHA to gently brighten. Despite these active ingredients, it doesn't feel aggressive. Instead, your skin feels clean, refreshed, and comfortably balanced. Never tight, never stripped. That balance comes from supportive ingredients like witch hazel to reduce excess oil and niacinamide to maintain hydration. There's a light tingling sensation and a fresh, slightly minty scent, subtle but effective. If your skin needs clarity and brightness without irritation, this is a strong contender. Finally, let's not forget one often overlooked area: your lips. The Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask has become a global cult favorite. It's enriched with shea butter for deep moisture and vitamin C for antioxidant care. It softens lips overnight and works just as beautifully during the day as a glossy, hydrating balm. The texture is smooth, lightweight, and slightly luminous, and the scent, playful, addictive, and memorable. Simple, effective, and one of the easiest upgrades you can make to your routine. Korean skincare doesn't chase intensity. It builds results, layer by layer. These treatment products show that you don't need harsh ingredients to achieve real transformation, just the right balance. If you're interested in any of these products, you'll find the links in the description and pinned comments. And in the next video, we move to the next step: moisturize.